What if the world you touch, see, and feel is nothing more than code?
Some scientists claim the universe behaves like computer code, precise, discrete, and predictable.
What if your choices were written long before you made them?
Maybe our planet isn't floating in space, but spinning inside a colossal computer.
If we are code, then who's holding the keyboard?
Our thoughts mirror circuits, as if consciousness itself was just advanced computation. Every discovery we make only uncovers another layer of illusion.
The world bends under perception, as if it's recalculating in real time.
What if time isn't moving forward, but refreshing, frame by frame?
Every light, every sound, every face might just be pixels in a cosmic simulation.
If my body's made of atoms, and atoms are empty space, what am I? Look close enough, and the fabric of nature starts to look like information. Our brains might just be biological computers connected to a greater grid.
Could the divine be the machine itself?
Ever noticed déjà vu? Maybe it's not memory, but a glitch repeating itself. When awareness dawns, the simulation starts to reveal itself.
What if every signal, every camera, every move feeds the main system?
What happens when someone finds the way out?
When reality resets, who remembers the last version? Could our instincts be just lines of code, following pre-written patterns?
What if every decision you make simply rewrites your local script?
Behind every avatar, there's a user. Behind every human, what if there's one too?
When the signal stops, do we die or simply disconnect?
Every hun could be a boundary line, drawn by code.
Our genes may be nature's code, storing instructions just like data.
Maybe reality only renders when you're looking.
Each age of mankind could just be a software patch.
Enlightenment, or debugging consciousness.
What if dreaming is just reconnecting to the main server? Have you ever felt the world stop for a second? Maybe. It really did.
Somewhere beyond, to the system that watches, breathes, and evolves. Even galaxies might just be equations solved by the engine of existence.
What happens when the simulation hits an error too big to fix?
After the crash comes the reset. A new illusion begins.
Every birth might be a respawn into another layer of the simulation.
You might exist in millions of variations, running parallel right now.
From atoms to oceans, maybe everything's just beautifully rendered data.
The less real it becomes. Maybe humanity's destiny is to wake up from its own creation.
After the illusion falls,
And beyond the code, something infinite waits.
maybe we were never meant to know the truth.
The system continues until you start questioning again. What if ancient civilizations already sensed the code beneath reality? Maybe they didn't build pyramids to reach gods, but to connect to the source.
Our thoughts might be electricity flowing through the planet's mainframe.
The edge of code, you realize there's no outside, only layers. The last illusion fails. Only consciousness remains.
Even after collapse, new life loads again bold, endlessly.
There could be infinite simulations, each believing it's the only real one.
You're not who you think you are, just a name in the system.
Maybe our universe.
B is a processor running cosmic equations.
Our emotions aren't random. They're messages from the core. Beneath our world, the system runs deeper than we can imagine.
Maybe isn't out there. It's inside the data we breathe.
Freedom or control, maybe both are part of the WAME simulation. Every awakening rewrites the system, and reality adapts to hide again.
The moment truth spreads too far, the code begins to break.
Beyond simulation, beyond code.
Maybe we were never trapped, because we are the very thing we try to escape.
The question remains, are we living in a simulation